Hello, we're going to be looking today at levels of technology, which is part of the Project Information Management System course. What we mean by levels of technology depends on the information requirements of the project, and we have this nice diagram that tries to show you the relationships between what is the information requirements that we have in the project right here and the complexity of the technology for that requirement. And we have basically three levels, and we'll discuss those levels next. The first level is when information needs are low and the complexity of technology will also be low. So we have low need for those requirements, and meaning that we'll have low technology complexity. This is an example of simple desktop tools that meet those needs. Let's look at here. In that level 1, we might have people that are collecting data from the field in manual forms. Then they usually are entered into a desktop computer or desktops, and from there basically people get their reports. Remember, this is when you have low requirements, and that means maybe the information is entered once a month and the volume of data is quite low. Let's see at level 2. When we have medium level requirements, will result into a medium level of complexity. This is level 2, and in this case we might need a little bit more of technology, where we might have still people entering some data manually and then putting that into the system, or people already in the system and creating all the information. But all of that needs to be centered in a database so that it's available for everybody within that network, and people can produce the report through that network. The idea of a database is that it collects and integrates all the information for everybody who is in that network. Let's see level 3. Level 3 is done when we have high level information requirements, and therefore will have high levels of complexity in our technology. An example will be where we still have a similar setup of mini computers, different type of data entry, but now we can use complex tools like internet or a central network databases that connect people from other locations where they can access the information and see the reports. The idea of these integrated databases is that they also can generate information that are collected in other databases. I'm making these symbols to represent those databases, and they can be information from your financial management, or it could be information from your human resource system that are feeding information into that central and integrated database. That way the organization, and this could be headquarters, can have a complete view of what is going on with all the different projects that are in the field or information that is coming from different locations. So this is more or less what we have when we understand levels of technology for project management and information systems. Thank you.